Hello, hello. Welcome back to the ZIA Cooking Kitchen.
It's crazy to be with you. It's always so much fun to be here.
It's the Hackman and we're back.
In a hurry, you know
yes,
this? You know?
Always.
So today we're going to talk about
potatoes.
Potatoes. Who is not talking about potatoes, right? In your recipe, you make potatoes.
I make them all the time.
And we store them, or we try to store them, and everybody knows how to store them. How do you store them? Dark?
Yes,
right?
I keep them dark at the bottom of my pantry.
Little cool. Mm-hmm. And remember, like my grandparents, they always put it on the ground. Do you remember
the cellar.
Exactly,
yes.
The potato stuff. But today, that's not so much possible. It's really hard to keep them cool, for one thing. Keep them dark. But I have to look this up now, because I always forget who came out with this. It was the Journal of Food Science and Technology.
Love chemistry in the kitchen.
Gee, many cricket. 2016, a couple of years ago. But they found out that in order to avoid this, look at the sprout.
Yes.
Nice sprout. All you have to do is put an apple with the potato.
Wow.
And what the apple actually does is it produces ethylene. And ethylene avoids the sprouting of the potatoes.
Awesome.
Now, you may think, or the audience may think, we're going to do this with bananas, onions, or whatever. Don't do it, because there it furthers their growth. So it's only with potatoes. Hold this, I gotta go. See ya.
See you next time, Hackman. Good one.
That's it.
Perfect.
The apple.